What's up, C Squad? Welcome back to another vlog. This is the second part of installing tiles. You can find the link to the first part at the description. If you are new here, my name is C and you guys are the C Squad. If you want to join the family, click on the subscribe button down below. If you need to take a break while tiling, always escape up any mortar overlapping into an area you are about to tile. Always consider about the upper surface of the tile. It may be rough or with textured finish, or it may be glossy. So install these different kinds of tiles at appropriate places. So after installing the floor tiles, you need to install tiles at the bottom vertical surface of the wall. It is known as constructing the baseboard or skirting board. Here we are going to install tiles on the wall to serve as a baseboard. First of all, you need to cut the tiles. Here we are taking 3 inches as the width of the tile. Normally we are taking 3 inches or more than 3 inches as the width of the baseboard, and length must be the same as the length of the tile. You can use an angle grinder to cut edges of the tiles which used as a baseboard for the right angled corners of the vertical ports or beam. You need to cut them by keeping a 45-degree angle at the edge. At last you will get a tile like this. After cutting the tiles, we can install them on wall. For this, you can use a brick trowel. Take some mortar onto a trowel and apply it on the backside of the tile. Then paste it onto the wall and tap it towards the wall using a rubber mallet. Be sure to line up joints in the baseboard tile with the floor tile for a continuous look. Then continue installing tiles on the wall surface, and when it comes to a door area, you need to be very careful when cutting and installing tiles. Always follow the techniques you're seeing in this video because it will make your work more easy. Other than tiles, we can also use baseboard made up with wood, PVC, vinyl, polystyrene, and various kinds of materials. Baseboards also covers the uneven edges of flooring to the wall and protects the wall from kicks, abrasions, furniture, and can serve as a decorative molding. Above types of baseboards can be nailed, screwed or glued to the wall. Plastic baseboards come in various plastic compounds, and most common one is UPVC. It is usually available in white or flexible version in several colors, and it is usually glued to the wall. Vinyl baseboards are glued with the adhesive, and it has a long lifespan. Wooden baseboards are also available in untreated, lacquered or pre-painted versions. You can also use a small thin trowel to remove small amounts of thin set at the edges of your tile as you go. Don't allow the thin set to skim over or start drying as you go. If it does, remove it and apply new thin set. As you lay your tiles, always check them for dirt and dust. Wipe them clean if needed. The dust can affect how effectively tiles adhere to the mortar. Throughout the process, use a damp sponge to clean off any mortar that ends up on top of the tiles. When installing the tiles, be sure to wear safety glasses and rubber gloves, especially when mixing and applying mortar. Also, consider wearing knee pads to evenly distribute your body weight and save your knees. When all the tile work is complete, allow the tiles to dry in place for several days before glouting, especially if you are using spacers. At least keep it for a day. This is how you install tiles to act as a baseboard at door spaces. After you finish tiling, you need to clean the tile surface well. You can use a small big trowel and a piece of cloth or a sponge to do this work. You need to clean the spaces between the tiles well because you need to apply grout in between those spaces. At last, you need to get a clean floor, and after that, you can start applying grout onto the tile surface. Guys, that's it for the second part. Stay tuned for the third and final part of installing tiles. Keep subscribing, keep commenting, and keep liking the videos. Have a nice day. Be kind to one another. See you soon. Peace.